We live in an age where humanity has mapped the ocean floor, sent rovers to Mars, and conquered the highest peaks on Earth. Every single year, hundreds of explorers stand on the summit of Mount Everest, conquering an altitude of over 29,000 feet. Yet, standing at just 21,778 feet in the remote Himalayas, there is a massive peak that remains completely untouched by modern man. No one has ever stood on its summit. Welcome to Mount Kailash. It is not the tallest mountain in the world, but it is undoubtedly the most mysterious. For thousands of years, ancient texts have revered it as the absolute center of the universe. But today, modern science is uncovering geographical and structural anomalies that defy natural logic, forcing us to ask an impossible question. Is Mount Kailash a natural geological formation, or the ultimate feat of lost ancient engineering?
The first massive anomaly is its shape. Unlike the jagged, unpredictable peaks of the surrounding Himalayan range, Mount Kailash possesses a shocking level of mathematical symmetry. It features four distinct, sheer rock faces that align almost flawlessly with the four cardinal directions of the compass: north, south, east, and west. In 1999, a team of Russian scientists led an expedition to study the mountain's unique topography. After months of mapping the region, they released a controversial and groundbreaking hypothesis. They theorized that Mount Kailash is not a mountain at all, but a massive step pyramid built in ancient times. They suggested it sits at the center of a global grid, somehow energetically connected to other ancient monuments across the world. While traditional geologists dismiss this as natural rock layering, the sheer perfection of its geometry leaves independent researchers completely baffled. How could shifting tectonic plates forge such flawless, mathematically precise architecture?
But the structural mystery is only the beginning. The bizarre phenomena surrounding the mountain extend directly to its base. Nestled at the foot of Kailash are two massive bodies of water, sitting side by side in the exact same climate and altitude. Yet, they possess completely opposite physical properties. The first is Lake Manasarovar. It is perfectly round, contains pure fresh water, and remains miraculously calm, even when high Himalayan winds sweep through the valley. Right next to it lies Lake Rakshastal. This lake is shaped like a crescent moon, contains entirely salt water, and is constantly plagued by violent, turbulent storms. How can two lakes, sharing the same bedrock and the identical weather system, exhibit such completely contrasting chemical makeups and weather patterns? To ancient cultures, this represented the ultimate balance of light and dark. To modern hydrologists, it is a geographical anomaly that still cannot be fully explained.
Then, there is the mathematics of its location. Ancient Sanskrit texts describe Kailash as the axis mundi, the cosmic center of the world. When modern researchers mapped its exact coordinates on a global scale, they discovered something astonishing. Mount Kailash sits exactly 6,666 kilometers from the North Pole, and it is exactly twice that distance, 13,332 kilometers from the South Pole. Is this simply a mathematical coincidence? Or did a highly advanced civilization understand global coordinates and the exact dimensions of the Earth long before the invention of modern satellites? As the last unclimbed frontier, Mount Kailash holds its secrets tightly. What do you think? Is this the world's largest ancient pyramid or a masterpiece of nature? Let us know in the comments below. Subscribe to Era Lens Unsolved as we continue to investigate the greatest anomalies of our ancient world.